Hello, my name is Dr. Lisa Templeton, and this is a meditation to care for yourself. So let's take a nice deep breath. No matter, what you might be feeling in your body, tightness, or maybe it's a hard time catching a full breath, that's okay. We just take in what we can and relax. In this present moment, right here, right now, we're landing. And true care is really about being present. When we feel cared for by another person, they're with us, they're present with us. So we want to be present with ourselves and just slow down. It's okay to take a little bit of time for a pause, just a brief pause. Now, however you're sitting or laying down, doesn't matter. Just feeling your butt on the seat, your body on the floor or a bed, wherever you may be laying, on a couch. And just feeling your body right now. Noticing whatever you notice. Meet yourself wherever you're at, as a friend would care for you. Whatever you're feeling, emotions that are coming up. This is one of the reasons why sometimes it's hard to take a pause, is that we have to feel what is there. And that's okay. So we show up in a compassionate manner and we care. And just allow for, being able to relax. And if you can't or don't feel as though it's easy to relax, then the practice is being compassionate with the anxiety that you may be feeling. There is a lot of collective fear in the world right now, in our society, especially with the upcoming election. Those of you that feel into the world are feeling some tension. So in this moment, we're just going to let that go. We're going to remember what it is that we can control, which my new word for control is relate. We're going to look at what is it that we can relate to and what is it that we can't. In this moment, we're relating with ourselves. We're showing up for ourselves. And we're caring for ourselves. And I want you to focus on your senses. What do you notice around you? What sounds do you notice? What smells? What do you see? Sometimes grounding in our senses can offer a little bit of guidance in slowing down and just being in the present moment. What is here in the present moment? What can we find? And some people are a little more, it's easier to lean into certain senses than others. That's okay. If you're a more visual person, then look around. If you're auditory, close your eyes, listen. But this practice is about being wherever you are, and caring for yourself in that manner, as you would a friend. There is no judgment here. We're working on letting go of any judgment. Not useful. Doesn't work. Doesn't help us become any better. It doesn't manage our emotions for us. Now, compassion, it lightens our heart. And remember that we're all just doing the best that we can. As we care for ourselves, we're listening, present. What might we be saying? What might we be doing? What is it that we're doing that is helpful? That we feel cared for? And what is it that we might be doing where we don't feel so cared for? Just listening. And making good choices. Now is the time to amp up our care for ourselves, especially in these coming weeks and days. Make a plan for care. And it starts with just slowing down, just taking a pause, taking a breath. And you're doing that right now, so thank you. Thank you for your presence. Thank you for your care for yourself, because as we each care for ourselves in more compassionate ways, dropping our judgment, anything that we have to judge, more light shines into the world, which is much needed right now. So thank you for your light. Thank you for your practice. Let's take one more deep breath. Just letting our exhale out a little bit longer than our inhale. Releasing whatever's not serving you. Thank you. I appreciate you. And I'm grateful for you. I hope you have a beautiful day.